Looking to personalize the shots you and others take at parties, or perhaps your local bar? What's up guys, it's Marlon with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to sublimate onto ceramic shot glasses using the HPN Signature Series mug press. If you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe and click the notification bell if you'd like to be the first to watch new tutorials, live episodes, and more from Heat Press Nation. If you're curious about other sublimation projects and the process in general, check out our Sublimation Starts Here playlist, available on the card above. Now let's get started.
Many custom shot glasses found at bars are most likely done with sublimation. Much like with our sublimation coffee mugs, the 1.5 ounce ceramic shot glasses are coated with a special layer of polymer to allow for sublimation. They can permanently hold sublimation transfers, wash well, whether by hand or dishwasher, and leave no pop-out feeling when sublimated. Now, if you've transferred onto a mug before, you'll know that the process is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is create an image you'd like to transfer, print it using a sublimation printer and paper, then transfer it using our mug press. If you've purchased the Signature Series 2-in-1, 4-in-1, or 6-in-1 mug press from us, an attachment for the shot glasses is included, which is also available on its own. Just disconnect and unscrew the default mug attachment from your machine, position the shot glass attachment to the center screw holes and fasten it, then connect it to your machine. I've done this ahead of time so that we could get right into the fun of sublimating your ceramic shot glass. As single logo designs work best with these substrates, I'll be transferring this example brand design onto it. Notice how this is slightly tapered so it doesn't look too warped on my shot glass. You may use the PDF template on our site as a reference for tapering your image, but remember to mirror the image before printing it. That should happen by default if you're using a Sawgrass printer with Virtuoso Print Manager. But now the exciting part. First, we'll cut the printed transfer by the image's edges. Then we'll wrap and tape it around the shot glass. Make sure that it's tight enough that no slack pops out. I'll tape them together with a long piece of heat tape, which I'll tape horizontally and attach to the two edges of the paper with, but also leave just enough tape out. I'll explain this tape more in a bit. Before we turn on the mug press, let's adjust the pressure to be as firm as possible. This will help us with the tape trick. This neat trick essentially holds the shot glass in place inside the attachment, as the rest of the tape will be attached to the mug press itself. This not only reduces the chances of ink ghosting and/or fading when pressing shot glasses, it also prevents them from popping out when closed. Let's turn on the mug press and set the temperature to 385 degrees and the timer for 190 seconds. Once it reaches temperature, put on some heat-resistant gloves and carefully place the shot glass inside the attachment. The best placement for the shot glass is to have the paper side facing the heating element and the tape side facing upwards. Placing the shot glass in any other way tends to pinch the transfer on the side above the heating element. Since we're doing the tape trick, this will be pretty easy to avoid as the tape side needs to stick out for the extra grip anyways. So let's go ahead and place our shot glass inside and press it. Then we'll stick the tape to the mug press. I've let my shot glass cool away from the machine for a few minutes, as this helps the transfer's ink to settle in further. But now we're about ready to peel the transfer to see our results. Personally, I think this one's ready for some shots. But whether you're preparing them for a local bar or a special occasion, these ceramic shot glasses are going to look great for those or similar purposes.
If you'd like to share any of your cool sublimation shot glasses, post them on social media with the hashtag HPN Creators. But shot glasses or not, we're always looking out for fun and unique heat transfer projects done by fellow creators. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be the first to know when we post new videos. If you have any questions about sublimation shot glasses or sublimation in general, please leave a comment, call us at 800-215-0894, or go to heatpressnation.com. Links to our shot glasses are in the description below. I'm Marlon with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching, and drink responsibly.